Hello, Mr. Heap here, and today I'm going to show you what a button group is. And to do so, I'm going to do it with a kids menu. So I just started up my basic app, importing Guizero, importing all of the things from it. I have my app, and now I'm going to type in button group with a capital B and a capital G. And first thing we do is where we're going to put it. We're going to put it in our app, and then we want to list our options for our group. After options, we do a square bracket, and then we say the things that are on a kids menu. First, let's talk about main meal. So let's do a hamburger. There's a cheeseburger. There's always chicken fingers. And sometimes there might be pizza. Seems like a good kids meal. So we started with an open bracket. We're going to end with an open bracket. And then we have the parentheses around the whole thing. So when I run this, you're going to see what it looks like. Here's a button group. You can choose different options, and it will be filled on just one of those options. All right. So we can display it like this, or we could turn horizontal equals true, and so now it will be laid out like this. And that looks like a fine little app, but I just want to do something to make it look a little nicer. I'm going to add a text widget above it, and that'll be in the app. And let's have the text say main meal or main course. All right, so then this doesn't look quite so bad, like I just button group out in the middle of nowhere. All right, we have our main course, and you can choose from any of these options. Looking good. And we can throw in a second one. After you do this, you have to choose your sides. And so let's create a little button group here. App, options. For our sides, we have, you can either do fruit or fries. Keep it short here. And now when we run this, you have this and this, and I like this horizontal look a little bit better. So I'm going to do horizontal equals true. Just to double check to make sure I like that. All right, it's looking good. All right, so now this is fine, but let's have it tell us what our order is. So to do so, let's make a push button. And our push button is going to have some text that says like push to see your order. And let's give it a command. Let's display order. All right, so to do that, we're going to come up here. Have our definition called display order, and what we're going to do is we're going to have it say what it is. Now, how about we start with a text that says like your order is ... And then when we do this, it's going to append. So we got to call this something. Maybe order text. So we'll say order text dot append. So that's going to put the words at the end of it. So your order is going to be whatever the option here is for your button group. So main course. So we'll type in here. Now if we just typed in main course, it's not going to like it because the main course is actually a button group. So we need to type in main course.value because this gives us the value associated with the main course. So we're going to let's stop there and just make sure this is working. And then it's not going to do, oh, display order is not defined because I didn't put an S in here. Now we'll fire it up. All right, your order is, and when I push the button, your order is hamburger. Great. Now let's add a little bit more. Let's say, with a side of, and now we're going to put in our other button group. Let's call this side course. I don't know if you have a course of sides, but so side course dot value. All right. And now when we run it, we can pick up, well, let's say if we want chicken fingers and fries, we press the button. Your order is chicken fingers with a side of fries. It seems to work.